Becoming financially independent requires that you increase your income considerably, and one great way to achieve this today is by exploring the money-making opportunities online. The new year is approaching quickly, and like you, a lot of people are trying to make that big transition to earning more money and becoming financially independent. As the world currently faces a global inflation crisis, which has seen the prices of essential commodities hit the roof, increasing your income streams and becoming more financially free has never been more important. In today's video, we've detailed 7 separate ways by which you can increase your income before the year runs out, and especially in the next year, 2023. Ready? Let's dive right in. Number 1. Get better at what you do. A Salary.com survey indicated that almost a third of the respondents were scared to negotiate a salary increase because of the risk of losing their jobs by asking for more. Well, this might be risky only when you are making an unreasonable offer or if an employer feels like they can get a replacement that will cost less, and this is where getting better at what you do comes in. You see, the more indispensable you become, the more highly demanded and valuable your talent becomes. This automatically gives you solid leverage when you ask for a raise, and you are more likely to be offered a higher salary or be given more financial bonuses. Your employer might grade you as a top talent and offer you more money to stay, given that you've become an invaluable asset to the firm. Getting better at what you do always pays off, and it remains a great way by which you can increase your income in 2023. Number 2. Take on a side gig. If you are a salary earner and you've always struggled to make ends meet, or you always seem to exhaust your salary only a few days after receiving your paycheck, then you should probably consider taking on a side gig in 2023 to give your pocket a boost. According to a 2017 Bankrate survey, results revealed that more than 44 million Americans have a side gig, and almost 40% of the people with a side gig earn an average of $500 per month at their second hustle. If you can try to start a side hustle that is earning you an extra $500 every month, you would be able to save extra cash and still have money to spare at the end of the month. Imagine saving $500 every month for the entire year. That leaves you with $6,000 by the end of 2023. You could decide to invest the saved amount and leave it untouched for the next 30 years and let it compound. Assuming 7% average yearly returns, this would leave you with a nest egg of $45,674 just from the earnings from your side hustle. Getting a side gig is the best way to increase your income exponentially starting from 2023. Number 3. Invest in your education. Education is without a doubt the key to success. It is also an exceptionally good route to financial stability and independence. Back in 2015, workers who had a college degree earned 56% more than employees who only had a high school diploma. You don't need us to tell you that a graduate degree can exponentially increase your chances of earning a bigger salary. Postgraduate degree holders also earn 36% to 89% more than their counterparts who just hold undergraduate degrees. While education is undoubtedly expensive in many countries in the world, acquiring new and relevant knowledge in your chosen line of work can make you more employable and increase your earnings portfolio. All you need to do is select a particular practice that you're confident you can thrive in. Sometimes, you might feel like you don't want to spend the time or money to go through the rigorous process of an entire degree program that might take years. Instead, you can opt for training opportunities at work or relevant certifications in your field that you can acquire to put you on track towards an income raise. Number 4. Build a dividend portfolio for passive income. In 2023, avoid being like most people who are content with relying on just one stream of income. The threat of losing your 9-to-5 job or relying on it solely can have devastating effects. In 2021, the average of people who lost their jobs were unemployed for more than 30 weeks. Long-term unemployment is increasingly becoming a very daunting issue and can also reduce your motivation to get a new job. So, the best thing you can do is to always have a backup plan that can bring you an income from multiple sources. A great way to do this is to build a dividend portfolio with which you can earn income passively. Since you can't be in two places at once, you can make your money do all of the hard work for you. Investing in financial assets such as dividend stocks or REITs are options you can decide to explore. However, it's always advisable that you have a thorough understanding of where you are putting your money, and do your due diligence in getting all the information you need to make the right investment decisions. Ultimately, you can sit back, relax, and watch your dividend earning portfolio do the magic. Number 5. Apply for that new job. If you're confident that you meet most of the requirements for a higher paying job, you should apply for it as quickly as you can and never allow yourself to get dissuaded by how complacent you've become at your present job. Even if one or two of the needed requirements might be missing in your CV, don't make the mistake of a lot of people who wait to meet all the requirements before sending in their application. You should challenge yourself nonetheless and give it your best shot. No losses ever accrue from attempting. In essence, the fact is, you don't always have to meet the requirements. Studies have shown that most women don't apply for jobs unless they feel they have met 100% of the job requirements. Men, on the other hand, will apply for jobs even if they only meet 60% of the job requirements. Sometimes when you apply for a job and you don't quite tick all the boxes, hiring managers might be impressed by the skills and experience you possess and the way you present yourself. This plays a more crucial role than just ticking all the boxes. And as the popular saying goes, you can only lose 100% of the chances you don't take. Applying for that job might be the big chance you've been waiting for to earn that bigger pay. In today's world, smart employees always try to keep their options open, and this makes employers understand that they must pay well to be able to retain them. Number 6. Start a new business. If you are ready to take that big leap, you can decide to launch a small business. Initially, you might be the only one running the business, but as the business progresses, you can decide to hire more people to meet demands. It could be a restaurant business or a small startup that builds websites and apps for companies. Whatever type of business, starting small would be a very prudent way to manage your operating cost and overhead expenses. Although starting a new business might sound like an enticing task, it is no small feat. The cost of starting a new business is usually high because chances are you have to put all of your capital into the business first. But don't let that scare you. The earning potential for well-run businesses is usually explosively high. It is important to note that while you make sales in the first couple of years, it will still take a lot of time, patience, dedication, and consistency for your business to generate enough revenue and profit for you to have a consistent paycheck from the business. Starting a business is undoubtedly one of the hardest and most time-consuming ways to make money, but it can be extremely rewarding, especially if you are transitioning or retiring from the corporate workplace. Number 7. Constantly work on increasing your network. Your network is your net worth is a popular quote. You should constantly strive to build a professional network, especially if you work in the corporate domain. Maintaining strong relationships with colleagues and experts can bring huge benefits for you throughout your career. You shouldn't wait until you've lost your job before you build a professional network of like-minded individuals and managers in your field. A simple recommendation or referral from someone in your network can land you your next dream job, or put you in the pole position for a massive opportunity you never thought you could accomplish. If you are the type that likes to wait until you need help before reaching out to people, chances are that you might not get any response. Maintaining a strong network with industry colleagues is very crucial for your growth and earning potential in whatever field you find yourself in. Regular engagement with your network is similarly very important if you intend to maximize the benefits of your network. Your network might just be the key to the next massive thing in your career. Make sure to try out at least one of these 7 methods this coming year and watch your income explode. Do let us know in the comments which one of these income-boosting methods you find the most enticing. Give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Want to learn how to grow your income exponentially using compound interest? Then you absolutely want to check out this video right here.